Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Thousand Island salad dressing. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise as the creamy foundation. Next, add 1/4 cup of ketchup for that signature tangy sweetness and color. Finally, incorporate 2 tablespoons of finely chopped sweet pickle relish or dill pickles for essential texture and flavor. Now, let's elevate the flavor profile with a few key additions. Stir in 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce to deepen the savory notes. For a subtle pungency, add 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder or a tablespoon of finely minced fresh onion. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon, will brighten the entire dressing. Once you have all your ingredients, combine them thoroughly in a medium-sized bowl. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and well blended. Now, taste the dressing and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a pinch more salt, pepper, or even a touch more relish. For best results, chill the dressing for at least 30 minutes before serving to allow the flavors to fully meld. Your homemade Thousand Island dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's perfect for green salads, as a spread for sandwiches, or even as a dip for vegetables. Store any leftover dressing in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 week. And speaking of fresh, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to keep your food organized and delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.